Galal has been living in a tent in Beamer Park in downtown Hamilton for a couple of months. He doesn't know where he will go if he's forced to leave.
I don't know what to say about that. It's not a good feeling, obviously. Yeah, like just we don't know where to go from here. And
during the pandemic, the city did not enforce camping on city-owned property. But in August, City Council chose to enforce it again. This time, it was challenged by a poverty group. Today, a judge dismissed the application and ruled in favor of the city, which means the removal of these encampments can proceed.
It's frustrating. It's terrifying. I think it portrays a lack of humanity and a lack of care on part of council. Justice Goodman wrote in his decision, "I am persuaded that accommodations such as shelters and hotels have been made available and are responsive to the needs of encampment residents. It's not perfect, but most homeless occupants can be reasonably accommodated by the city."
I'm not exactly doing a victory lap, but I'm quite pleased that the judge upheld the city bylaw. Clearly, it's intended to protect our park space, but also intended to find safe and humane spaces for all those that are living rough in our community.
We have good emergency shelter spaces in this community for youth, for families, for men and women. Unfortunately, there aren't always an adequate number of spaces for the number of people who require those services.
According to the Good Shepherd, there are some beds available tonight for men in shelters, but that could change very fast. There's also a number of reasons why some people may not feel comfortable in shelters.
I've been there before. I don't like to be there again.
The city says the bylaw will be enforced on an individual basis first. A clean sweep will only be a last resort. Sean Cowan, CHCH News.